I've noticed in several Facebook cross-stitch groups that one question comes up again and again. Where do you actually start on the fabric? And I think a lot of people get confused because they get different answers depending on who they're asking or who is answering the question. The short answer is it depends. I don't always start in the same place. It depends on the project and especially what my finished pieces will become. Let me give you some examples. The first one, this one, it's a Mirabilia on 27 count even weave. It's called Conservatory. This one will be laced when it's done and it includes many beads. So therefore I start at the top center but slightly lower than usual because I need some fabric for the lacing. Before starting a project, if I already know how I'm going to finish it, I can plan, and therefore I only stitched one Mirabilia so far, but this one up there is laced too, and when I'm going to lace a project, I'm going to start like this, you can see. And there will still be some fabric here that I can use for other projects later. The next project is called Brown Cat. It looks like this, and here I started in the middle, which I don't do very often. I don't like starting in the middle, but sometimes when my piece of fabric isn't that big, which is the case with this one, just for security reasons, I start in the middle and then I quickly move up. So you can see I actually did start here and then I quickly moved up because I prefer to stitch from the top and down. I am capable of stitching from right to left and from down to up without messing up my stitches. My stitches leg will still be in the same direction, but it's easier for the brain to stitch, for my brain anyway, to stitch from the top and go down. This one I haven't decided whether I want to frame it yet or make it into a pillow, which is also why it's a good idea to start it in the middle when the fabric isn't that big. The last project is Spooky Cozy Friends by Nathnalo. Here I started in the upper left corner. I knew I had enough fabric, and I also know that I'm going to make it into a pillow, and therefore I will get nice leftover fabric afterwards for other projects. To conclude, there isn't a correct place to start. I choose my starting point based on how much fabric I have, what the project will become, and how I want to work on it. So next time someone tells you that you have to start the project in the center, the real answer is, it depends.